hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Yeah, man, me have it.
Before you get pork.
Me have it. But me no want him come down here, you know.
Me bro.
Oh, him want him come down.
What kind of them belts?
Emil, you don't know what to do, but hey, me don't know what to do. I feel that me see like me say, come here, me see the man ready to swim up, you know. Me say, don't go up there, you know. Don't go up there.
Jeez, nah.
And the man say, good. I say, you can't go for that blood clot. Me say, come here, go and let the man make. The man reach up with some blood clot.
Lord have mercy.
Yo, Jaja.
But it's like if you get an injection or something.
You just a chip, you know. A chip, you just a chip, you know.
Right.
You see, they start chip. So you see?
Jesus Christ.
Why?
What?
Brother?
Yeah, me and I
you are comfortable up there, man.
You know. Look at her.
Brother?
Watch your man, look at
Man, see? Me nervous, man. God no.
Look at him, one fire, I gotta take care of it. See,
Yeah.
Take care of blood clot.
Jaja.
Phone I got dead.
Why you be there enough already?
Boy? No, sir. Me no know how him reach up to some people, but me tell her say, yo, everybody had a gone, so. Eh? People had gone around, so people had gone around, so people had gone everywhere. Who him reach up to some me no know. See? Me happy me never see any part of that in the people. You understand? Me no know how the end of that go. You know what I mean? But me never want to see how him come back down, or me no want to see, me never want to watch him when him a climb up there, but him reach up there, you know, and the man boss you up there. You with these people? Big, bro, God. See? My viewers and subscribers, boy. You know this a Sunday, I be things that go on, I don't know people. See? I don't know. People been losing it and hear them say, like a man in the background say, I just yesterday like in head start chip. See? So basically a man we have good sense, good mentality and everything, but why? Something go down people. A lot of people been losing it. I tell you, a lot of people in that chip. See? People are going through stress, can't pay them bills, can't find food, you understand, can't take care of them, youth can't this, can't that, now work, and it a drive a lot of people crazy, a lot of people going outrageous people. So all I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers, why? Yo, only just season he knows, see? But me just hope and pray same good still, you know, same come back down good, you know, and everything, but me don't know how him reach up the people, but me know so them wire they look like some high tension wire up there, say, you know, see? And me don't know if there's no method how you can climb and go through the wire them or something. I don't know if the skill there because current doesn't owe me afraid of personally. See, even a car battery in the car people if you take off a car battery, that's something me afraid for do. No joke about it. See, if you take pulley off or something, me afraid to touch them, much less we go near that. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, but boy, when the head chip people and head gone, boy, basically you don't even know what you do. So see there, we can reach way up there. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself people, and just more love and more respect for people. And I don't know if I don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so as I drop a video you will get them people. And remember to tap all in the with the tap the notification tap all in it so you know so any video drop you go ping right up there so people. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, newlink_production official, and big up to everybody who follow over on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, who are like, who are share, who are comment. You understand? Big up to everybody who are contribute on the channel and I support the thing. Everybody who are buy a New Link shirt and I support the thing or buy a coffee cup and you don't know. Big up to everybody. More love people.